Welcome to WebStarburst. In this video, I will show you how to enable safe browsing in Google Chrome for mobile and PC. To do that on mobile, open Chrome web browser. Press three dots at the top right. Go to Settings. Select Privacy and Security. Select Safe Browsing. And from here, to turn on safe browsing, select Standard Protection or Enhanced Protection. To turn on safe browsing on desktop, open Chrome web browser, click three dots at the top right, go to Settings. From the left side, select Privacy and Security. Click on Security. And from here, select Standard Protection or Enhanced Protection. That's it. Turning on safe browsing will protect you against dangerous sites, downloads, and extensions. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.